This video will show you how to use the Quick Share feature on Carolina Science Online. Quick Share is available to Carolina supplemental products such as Carolina Kits. It is also available to Carolina Kits 3D Flex users, used in this demonstration. Here in the Digital Resource tab are resource tiles. You can preview, bookmark, assign, or Quick Share resources. Click the Quick Share button, confirm or edit the Quick Share details, then click Generate Pin. Next, click Copy next to the Share link or Quick Pin and share the way that works best for you. You can deliver quick pins and share links to your students using any platform. Students click Share Links or visit the carolinascienceonline.com student portal to enter a pin. Click Manage Assignments on the Quick Share pop-up or visit Assignments on the main navigation toolbar to review student work and grade responses from interactive activities. We hope this video and Quick Share tool are helpful. Please reach out to CSO_support@carolina.com if you have any questions or suggestions.